Hey everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a classic Indian summer cooler called Shikanji. It's a zesty spiced lemonade. So let's get started. To make my spiced lemonade, I'm going to start by roasting some cumin seeds to make a roasted cumin seed powder from scratch. This is not necessary, but it just elevates the flavor. So I've put my cumin seeds in a small pan here on medium-high heat, and I'm going to mix this continuously till it starts crackling a little and changes color to a dark brown. It's been 5 minutes and my cumin seeds smell super toasty. I'm going to transfer this to my mortar and pestle and powder. Now that that's done, it's time to start making our lemonade. In a large mixing bowl here, I'm adding 2 cups of regular water. And I'm also adding 2 cups of sparkling lemon water. I'm adding the juice of half a lemon. And as you can see, I'm struggling to squeeze my lemon here. To this, I'm adding a teaspoon of the roasted cumin seed powder that we made initially, 3/4 of a teaspoon of black salt or kala namak, I'm also going to add some regular salt. I'm adding 4 teaspoons of raw sugar. Feel free to add any sweetener of your choice like maple syrup or agave. I just prefer the flavor of sugar in this drink. I'm going to give all of this a really good mix till it's all combined. Adding some ice cubes and a few mint leaves. I'm also tearing some of the mint leaves to release its flavor. And that's it, and now it's time to assemble the drink. Here I have a mason jar and I filled it with ice cubes and lemon slices. I'm going to ladle my drink that we made into the mason jar here. And I'm also going to garnish with more mint. And that's the finished drink. So this is an extremely fun alternative to lemonade. It might seem a little unusual to add spices to your drink, but the spices actually complement the sourness from the lemons beautifully. And these spices also help with cooling down the body in the hot summer months. This recipe is extremely customizable, so you can adjust the ingredients to your taste preference. And once again, like and subscribe for more recipes like this, and I'll see you another time with another dish. Bye!